Hey, what's up, fellas? Here today to present you another opportunity. It's a smart contract, a storage program, so no risk of getting your money on hold by anyone. You have a wallet, you put your Ether there, and they pay you a reward. This reward is from zero point 0.6 to 1.8% a day. All right, ready to know about it? All right, let's dive straight into it. Welcome back, everyone. JD Marks here for the TradesBot channel, presenting you today a new opportunity, a smart contract, very interesting, made by a guy, Bunga, that is trusted on the community. So here we go. We're talking about Onigiri Bank. Onigiri Bank, it's a smart contract, okay, based on the Ethereum blockchain, where you can secure your Ether. Don't mind this word, lockbox. Your money is never locked. It's in the opposite. You guarantee with this lockbox that you never lose more than 84% of what you deposit. Let me explain this better. All right, let's say that I put one Ether here. With one Ether, I'll have 84% of this one Ether in this lockbox. This means that this money is mine. I can withdraw 100% of it without fees or anything locking up my money, you know? So let's think about Onigiri as a storage program. Instead of you holding your Ether in your normal wallet like Exodus or my Ether wallet and receive nothing, here you put your Ether on this wallet and you receive a reward that is right here from 0.6 to 1.8%. The value of this is, for the long run, is that it could attract some big whales, because look at those numbers. For you to receive those higher rewards, you need to have a deposit of bigger values. So this is very interesting. And another thing is the simplicity of this platform. You don't have, sorry, because it's not a platform. Actually, you have it here. If you go through the terms and conditions, you see that they make it very clear, right, that this is only a storage program, not a platform of any kind. So it's pretty straightforward, you know. Okay, so right, how straightforward? You come here, you put your Ether. If you have an affiliate address, you put it here, okay, and you deposit. And you open this, your MetaMask, and you do the deposit. 84% go to the lockbox. It means that 84% is guaranteed for you. It's your money, it's there, you can withdraw it anytime. 12% will go to the contracts, and this is going to pay for all the rewards as people are going in, and the development of the DApp games, partnerships, and other things that they have in their roadmap. So this is an interesting business that could grow and you know, make a good reward in the long run. So yeah, you put it here, you deposit, and that's it. Now you can say, hey, but I'm losing like 16% of my money right off the bat. Yeah, but you receive almost 1% a day. It means that in less than in half a month, you know, you have your 16 days almost. Let's put it 20 days, okay? Let's put it in 20 days, 1 month, you have your money back exactly, and you can compound or you can withdraw your money. You make the choice, okay? But what I have to say is that this 84 will come to 100% if you compound it for at least 1 month. In 1 month, you have all your money there, storage, and instead of receiving nothing by holding your Ether in Exodus or my Ether wallet, here you'll be receiving for the rest of your days or the duration of this contract. That I hope that is long, a long live. Okay, so here you can find the contract on the terms and conditions. Okay, you can see the smart contract is here. We have now 698 ether, equivalent to $182,000. Okay, so you see that we have people depositing, so the smart contract is pretty active, and this comes from the transparency of this platform. This is another thing that I wanted to call you guys upon, is that the transparency. Here you have your smart contract, you have the Telegram. This is the official Telegram. You can come here and chat, and this is the creator of the contract, Bunga Bunga. It's a guy that has been around a long time doing videos. Everybody knows this guy. He's not hiding behind this program. You know, he's putting his face out there, very transparent. You come here and you ask questions. You see, I asked questions here, and he comes up front and answer it for you. So it's pretty transparent and straightforward program, and that's why I think I'm going to join this and do my first deposit, and I show you guys how it's done. Okay, so I'll spend today reading. You can come here on the announcements as well. Okay, I'll leave the links below on the description. And by the way, please subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive our updates. We are doing almost daily videos for you guys on new programs and things that are coming up. So stay tuned, subscribe and hit the bell. Okay, and please also like our videos too. It's a big help for us. Okay, guys. Okay, thank you very much. All right, so this is Onigiri Bank. You can have everything here, and you have the links here for the Telegram and everything, you know. But I'll leave it there on the description as well. Okay. So, well, that's what I had to talk about Onigiri Bank. I think that is going to be a big thing. You know, people are going to be attracted to this high rewards here that we have, and start putting more and more in compounding. I think there is going to be a big opportunity, and with development of the roadmap even more. All right, and calling again the attention to the transparency and straightforwardness of this program. You just deposit here. There's no website or nobody's holding your money or anything. You know, you can withdraw at any time with no fees, nothing. All right. So those are the advantages of this program. I hope you have liked the video, and I'll stay here for now, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Always a pleasure to have you here, and we will be talking soon on the next video. All right, see you. Bye bye. Ciao.